This is a little tiny house we're staying at in Atlanta, Georgia. You go in through the front, have a sliding door, and you get a little kitty buddy too. Hi. You got this door right here. That's your front door in. Outdoor shower. It's actually kind of odd to get used to, but I really liked it once we got used to it. You get the privacy door up in the front. It just slides out like a barn-style door. You go inside. Leads you straight to the kitchen. There's your kitchen. So you have toaster, coffee maker, sink, propane stove, fridge, whatever else you need, your other supplies down at the bottom. You go inside, you have this little dining area, window out. There's mini heater, your hot water heater, and then it actually has a workout area, which we thought was different and cute. Then you turn right, there's your bathroom, composting toilet, everything else you would need. Also a sliding privacy door, which they use the area behind it as storage too as well. And you got some Yahtzee, you got everything else you would need. And you go up top and go up. And then there's your bed along with a net loft area. And then that window you can open up and go out and have a little balcony up there. That was adorable. Your AC unit, everything else you could want. Once you're up here, all you gotta do is unlock it and crank the window. And you can go outside once you pull the screen off. The screen just pops off. And you're outside. This area also has an outdoor ladder. We can go straight outside and go straight down. They also had a lot of cute little features like this palette light. These Edison bulbs mounted on the wall with the individual lamp switches. And like I said, of course, you got your loft area, which is 800-pound capacity net that just hangs over everything else. So if you look straight down from the loft, you're right over the kitchen. You look from the kitchen, and there's your workout area. And then there's the bathroom. And there's the front door. You also got exercise bands with multiple mounting points. You can mount them there on the floor, there in the ceiling, or right where it's hanging here. There's also space for a hammock to string from these hooks all the way out to these hooks when you're not using your exercise area. Along with that, there's also hidden rock climbing handles. So if you just want to hang around, it's all right there for you to use. You got a little bit of storage everywhere else, and you're really set.
I like that one.
Which one?
That one's face. It's right there. Oh, the one that went like that.
That one.
That one.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh,
Sir, what type of goat are you?